my dear children. Today we are going to learn a few new words with the letter I. I am your teacher. Okay, and how do we say the letter I? It sounds like I. So we are going to learn a few new words with the sound I. Let's begin together.
I, b, ib, b, ib, bib, n, ib, nib, r, ib, rib. Read with me. A baby wears a bib. A pen has a nib. I, d, id, k, id, kid, l, id, lid. Read with me, children. The kid did a sum. Close the lid. I, g, ig, d, ig, dig, v, ig, wig, p, ig, pig, b, ig, big, f, ig, fig. Read with me, children. A gardener digs the ground. A pig lives in a sty. An elephant is big. This lady wears a wig. I, l, ill. I, l, ill. P, ill, pill. B, ill, bill. M, ill, mill. H, ill, hill. Read with me, children. Ron is ill. He will buy some pills. He will pay his bill. Ron has a mill. His mill is up a hill. I, im, d, im, dim, h, im, him, r, im, rim. Read with me, children. The bulb grew dim. She gave him a book. Round went the rim. I, n, in. P, in, pin. B, in, bin. F, in, fin. W, in, win. Read with me, children. A fish has fins. This bin is made of tin. There are 5 pins. It was a great win. I, p, ip, d, ip, dip, l, ip, lip, t, ip, tip. S, ip, zip. Children, read with me. Put your finger on your lips. Touch with your finger tip. Dip the brush. Pull up your zip. It, it. S, it, sit. P, it, pit. K, it, kit. H, it, hit. F, it, fit. Children, read along with me. Sit and read. The dog fell into a pit. Virat hit a 6. Use the first aid kit. Do yoga to stay fit. E, X, X. S, X, 6. M, X, mix. F, X, fix. Read with me, children. After 5 comes 6. Mix the vegetables well. The plumber will fix the pipe. Children, you have learned so many words today. You will have to write them down in your handwriting notebook. That is your green notebook. And you have to practice them well. Next week, I shall send you a worksheet on it, which you have to do all by yourself. So, throughout the week, keep practicing. Stay like good children. Bye-bye.